Hey guys, you ain't gonna believe this. I've been paying my son to help me throughout the week. Pretty good money for 14, 15-year-old. And he's been bugging me to sell him an old Mustang, so I've sold him an old Mustang. Well, now he's recruited his brother to help him, so he's taking the money that I've been paying him, and then he's paying his brother less money to help him. So let me go show you what they're doing. I've sold him an old Mustang. Well, come on, Ellie, let's go show him what big brother's having little brother do. So yeah, he's smart. So he's took all my good parts. He's got my stand, he's got my fan hooked up, he's got my pop-up tent going.
This is my employee of the week.
Employee of the week, you got something on your nose. Is that your good shirt? Your Eddie Bauer shirt?
No.
Oh. So he's taking the money. I pay him about $50 a day sometimes, or more, depending on how much he works. And he's paying his brother, what do you say, $5 a day?
Or $5 an hour.
$5 an hour? If you work a bunch of hours, you make a lot of money.
He said he's gonna work 2 hours a week, every day.
2 hours a week?
No, a day.
2 hours a day? So $10 a day, you make 50 bucks a week?
Yeah.
That's pretty good, Wesley. You're screwing your little brother over, though. You're making $50 a day, and he's making $50 a week.
I mean, he can choose more hours if he wants to work more.
I think I need to just hire Colton. He seems like he's a much better sander. I'm just kidding, Wesley. Lordy mercy. Well, come on. I've got this door adjusted to where it's good here. The gap looks good here to this point, and then it looks good from here to this point. The gap looks good along the bottom, but it's too tight right here. The door has got a hump in it on the edge, so I'm going to grind that hump off, and I'm going to tack weld the skin back together. I went ahead and tacked the back side just in order to keep it tight. Grind that off, weld it up, and grind it back down smooth. Hopefully, it goes as planned. Pretty good. I'm gonna use this Bondo bus to flatten it up even more. Looks a lot better. And we got a nice consistent gap all the way down. Looks great. Once I weld it, it's going to build it back up, but it's going to burn it in hot, and hopefully I can grind it back down, and it won't cut back in the door skin like this. So right now we got the outer, the inner, and then the inside part of the door skin. great. Here my brother over there, 1194 video. He's over at Mom and Dad's house, Rod checking a Coyote car. One of those cars he's working on, what do you call it, body swap. He's gonna have that blowed up before he gets painted. It's already smoking. Smokey, a coyote. Smoking a coyote. Alright, so we've got a couple little tacks on it. Let's keep going. We'll bounce around, we don't want to get hot. Whoa. Do not want to get it hot. I'm not looking at it, I'm closing my eyes in case y'all wonder. What I'm doing is I'm lining it up with my thumb, close my eyes and pulling the trigger. You try to do it like this right here, we'll make a mess. You're going to be all over the place. Rest your hand on the door or the panel. Rest your thumb on the nozzle. Probably need to wear gloves, but I'm not getting it hot, so. Plus, I was born in the 80s, so you see what I'm going? You know where I'm going? All we gotta do is grind it back down. I use tape to go by. So I just sneaked up on my tape edge with the grinder, then I'm gonna finish it off with this. If I can get her to start up, she's a little cold colored. All right. So y'all see that, what I done? That's the best effective way of getting your door gaps. In my opinion, that's the best way of doing it. If you just wipe Bondo or fiberglass on the edge of your door, it's gonna crack off. As soon as it hits something or just the vibration alone will crack your bodywork. That's no good. That's no bueno. So I'm gonna keep going around checking all my edges and get this car ready to go into paint. Till next time, fellers.